I've heard that after a long period, maybe years of meditation, that one's whole life becomes a constant meditation. Can you explain?
Yeah. That inner calmness stays whatever you do. You may be walking, talking, eating, chit-chatting, watching news. And still that there is that a certain serenity continues. You get so used to it. It doesn't leave you, sort of. But again, when will I get that sort of thing? Don't say. It can happen any time. Who cares? That should be the attitude then. Yeah? That's the best thing to say. Okay, let it be. There is a beautiful verse of Kabir. He was a saint in India in the Middle Ages, in 12th century. He said he went on in search of God all the time. He said, where is Hari, where is Hari? And Hari, the name of God. Where is Hari, Hari? Where is God, God? He said, when I went in search of God, I couldn't find God. But when I left everything, I just relaxed. Now God is after me, doesn't leave me. Now God is running after me. Kabir, 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 Kabir is after me. So I stopped running after God and He starts running after me. He says, it's very true, so true. We just need to know how to deeply relax. No effort. Because whatever we gain through effort is material, is limited sphere. Anything you want to gain from the spiritual plane, something higher, effort is not the language there. All effort should be let go on. You should let go all effort. Do no effort at all. Then you gain something which is bigger, and that is spiritual plane. The material plane is just 1/10 of the entire existence. 9/10 is all spiritual plane. That's it. See, you cannot cultivate love by effort. You cannot be compassionate by effort. Can you? Can you say, oh, I try hard to be compassionate? Your trying hard is the impediment. You just relax, you'll be compassionate. Huh? You're trying hard to be happy is the deterrent factor to be happy. So effort is the language of material world. If you don't put effort, you can't make money, you can't study and score good marks, you can't obtain a degree if you don't put effort. So everything in the material, you need to put effort. You have to make an effort to build a home. It doesn't happen just sitting and thinking. But to attain something spiritual, just the reverse mechanism. No effort. Few moments sitting and making no effort at all whatsoever. I know you may tell me, oh, it's difficult not to do anything. It's difficult to be quiet. It just appears like that. Just a couple of days here, you will find. It's today, tomorrow, 3 days, you will see already, oh, it's so simple, so easy.